Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is 31st of December and we have decided कि आज हम अपना vision board बनाएंगे. We have these art printouts for the vision of this year. So and we have chart papers here. We'll be making this video, like we'll be making vision board for this video. So yeah, stay tuned. So we are gonna cut these printouts first and then we'll be cutting the chart paper and then we'll be pasting it on the chart paper. So let's see. We have now our cutouts here and क्योंकि नज़र इज रियल तो हम सारे नहीं दिखा रहे बट हमारी जो टॉप 5 गोल्स हैं इस साल की वो हम आपको शो कर रहे हैं एंड उसका रीजन भी बता रहे हैं हम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद यू.
Okay, so the first goal of mine is to complete 10k steps every day, and this picture is for a solo date. Like I wanna go to a solo date on my own, and this I do want to do meditation every day, like if it's only for 10 minutes. And the main and the most hardest goal is to wake up early. So yeah, that's few of my goals for this year.
Starting with where she left again. मेरे को भी जल्दी उठना है so then really want to get up early. Second is this quote, good things are coming, because yeah, good things are coming. अच्छे दिन आएंगे. Again I have this quote, it is I am successful, healthy, beautiful and happy. I think everybody needs this and make my parents proud, the biggest dream everybody has, and to eat healthy because I eat a lot of junk, so I have this. Now let's paste it on the chart papers.
Yeah.
We have two different color of chart paper. Mine is reddish pink, you can say, and
mine is brown.
yeah. So we are gonna cut it out and then we are gonna paste it. So see you. So here we are deciding how we are gonna paste our like the stickers, the pictures we have decided to put on our vision board. And I'm done with my decision. I have like made that, you know, the sheet. I have done the placement and she's still doing it. Once she'll be done with it, we'll be pasting the pictures and then we'll show you the final vision board and how it looks. And now everybody knows what a vision board is. Still, I want to talk a little about what vision board is, how it works and everything. So the vision board is for like every year, or you can make it even week wise if you want, but it usually is for every year. What you have to do is you have to make a vision in your mind, which we already have, but we see it every day because we have a board of it. We have like, we stick it somewhere. You can also put it on your wallpaper or anywhere which you like watch every day. When you watch that thing every day, you get that vision that yes, I have to complete that. So vision board is for that. And I guess it's very common now. Everybody is making vision boards in so many years, but this is the first time I am making vision board for 2026. So this is the first thing I am pasting on my vision board. It's 2026 is my year, I wish. So yeah, I'm just putting it in the center, and by the side I am putting this manifestation which says my vision board comes true. This is what I'm putting also in the center, which you all will see at the end because I cannot show my chart paper. We are making it on the chart paper, not on canvas, because we are not allowed to put canvas on the wall of our hostel. So we are putting it on the chart paper. Okay, so I'll show you how my and her vision board looks at the end.
If you want a sign to make any kind of vision board, so take this as a sign, because guys, believe me, vision board do work if you work hard for it.
this is how our vision board looks. It is completed finally, and yeah, we have loved this process a lot. If you are looking for a sign, this is your sign. Please go and make your vision board for this year. It is really very helpful to complete your vision of the year, and it will motivate you every day whenever you will see it. You can also make it in your phone and put it on your wallpaper, as I have mentioned it earlier. Please make a vision board. That's it for this video. We'll see you again. Keep watching, keep loving. Bye bye.